My name is Marshall. It's the 25th of July 2014. This is the Fantasy Boat Party. Versus Switzerland versus Australia. Josh from London, I'm fucking super.